Welcome viewers, this is Roshmi again. Today I am going to show you entirely silk and tassar. All are very beautiful sarees, all are puja special. So let's start. Saree number 1. It's a silk, Bishnupur silk mix and match. Just check the saree with Katha work. I will show you very few sarees but all in detail. See, this is pallu part, printed pallu. Material is Bishnupur silk. Material is Bishnupur silk. This is pallu part, and just check the entire body. Entire body you will get this type of printed border on both the side, and this portion is entirely Katha work. Check. Just check the Katha work, entirely with Katha work. Full all over body you will get the Katha work. I will show you the beginning also. Just check the beginning. This is the beginning of the sari, and here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. I think it is very much clear for the viewers. মানে অনেকেই আমাকে বলেন ছবিটা কি রকম, ব্লাউজ পিসটা কি রকম, শাড়ির ভেতরটা কি রকম, সেই জন্য আমি একটু ভালো করে দেখিয়ে দিচ্ছি একটু টাইম নিয়ে, so that it will be clear for you. But for any query you can always call me, WhatsApp me on my number 9330866384. This is the entire look of the sari. This is the entire look, and you will get a blouse piece like this. Gun spray shaded blouse piece with this sari, and all the saris are with silk mark, as you know, and the price is 6800. All are for festive collection. 6800. Sari number 2, another mix and match. This is also very pretty one. I will show you. Just check. This is kalamkari printed pallu. Kalamkari printed pallu along with this Gujarati work. At the end of the pallu you will get this type of Gujarati work. Just check this Gujarati work you will get at the end of the pallu. This is pallu part with Katha work. This print has been highlighted with Katha work. This print has been highlighted with Katha work. Now the entire sari with shivori print. Entire sari with shivori print, and both side you will get this type of Gujarati border. I'm telling you all this, showing you all the saris in details so that it will be easy for you to decide through online. Just check this, both side you will get this type of border, Gujarati border, and the entire body with this bandage, shivori print. And the entire sari with the border Gujarati work, and here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece on the sleeves. For sleeves also you will get this type of work. Blouse piece is printed, but at the end for this portion you will get this type of work. I will show you the draping view also of this sari. Just check. This is the look. This is the look of the sari, and the price is 6800. This one is also Bishnupur silk. This one is also Bishnupur silk. Entire look. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. As you know, booking number is 9330866384. Requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel and to put some comments and to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. This is sari number 3. Eta ami ageo dekhiyechilam. I have shown this sari earlier also with different color combination. Now again I am showing you. This portion is printed one, painting. Material is silk. Entire sari with painting. Painting has been highlighted with Katha work, and the entire border with Gujarati stitch. These all are mix and match. A color, this is light, very light green, you can say. It seems like chana jol color. It's a very light green color. All over the sari you will get this type of painting. Painting has been highlighted with the Katha work, and this is the border for the entire sari. Both side you will get this type of Gujarati border. entire look of the sari. The price of this sari is 6650. 6650. This is the look, and here is the blouse piece. This blue portion is for blouse piece. Price is 6650. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. This is another Bishnupur silk with batik work and Gujarati stitch. Just see, this is the pallu part. Pallu part, you will get this batik work along with Gujarati stitch, and the price for this sari is 6450. 6450. Check the entire look of the sari. এই শাড়িগুলো অলওয়েজ আমরা প্রিন্ট বাটিক ওয়ার্কে দেখাই, কিন্তু যখন কাজটা হয়ে যায় it looks amazing. Just see, this is the, it looks very pretty. একটু পুজো এসে গেছে, পুজোর স্পেশাল শাড়ি বলে এগুলোতে একটুখানি অন্যরকম লুক দেওয়ার চেষ্টা করা হয়েছে. Just check the entire look of the sari. This is the look, and the price for this sari is 6450. 6450. And here is the blouse piece. This is the blouse piece. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the sari through courier. Shipping is free all over India. COD facility is also available all over India. Now another one, this is Katan silk. I will show you the sari with the full dripping view. Just see, from pallu you will get this type of bullion stitch. This sari has been made with gun spray technique. These all are hand bullion stitch. I will show you the back portion. Just check, this is the back portion of the sari. All are hand bullion stitch, and the material is pure Katan silk. Pure Katan silk. This is not Bishnupur silk, this is Katan silk. Just check, half of the sari will be with this bullion work. I will show you the dripping view, and the rest half with this red color. You will get buta and the border with bullion work. Entire sari. And here is the blouse piece. Blouse piece is also red. This is the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. It will be the look of the sari. This is the look of the sari, and the price is 8000. This is Katan silk, pure Katan silk with silk mark certification, and the price is 8000. Here is the look. This is the look. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. Moving to the next sari. Another one, number 6. 6 is also similar type, only the color combination is different, but I will show you the entire sari with a dripping view. Same pattern. From pallu to half sari you will get this type of bullion stitch, bullion parshi work. Entire sari with bullion parshi work. প্রচুর কাজ আছে, মানে যে পোর্শনটা শাড়ির দেখা যাবে সেটাতে প্রচুর কাজ আছে, প্রচুর কাজ আছে. and the material is Katan silk. কাতান না হলে এতটা ভারী কাজ করা যায় না. the material is Katan silk. all are Bishnupur silk, but these are Bishnupur Katan silk, and the rest half is turquoise blue. Check the color, the rest half is turquoise blue. And the blouse piece will be also blue. This is the blouse piece. You will get this type of work for the sleeves. Check the entire look of the sari. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number. The price of this sari is 8000. The price for this sari is 8000. This is the entire look of the sari. Requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel and to put some comments, share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Another Katan silk. This is number 7. This one is also mix and match with Katha work. Just check the sari. And this one is Tasar base, on Tasar base. This is not Katan silk, this is Tasar. See, with Kantha work. This is the Kantha work. Half sari you will get this type of work. Half sari with this type of work, Kantha work. The price for this sari is also 8,000. All are with silk mark certification. This one is Tasar. Material is Tasar, Gachi Tasar with Kantha work. Half of the sari will be with Kantha work, and the rest half I will show you with gun spray and buta. With this type of gun spray and buta, the price for this sari is also 8,000. Price for this sari is 8,000. This is sari number 7. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the sari number, and here is the blouse piece. Here is the blouse piece. Moving to the next sari. Now I will show you one silk Gujarati, shaded silk Gujarati. The material is Katan silk again. Just check the color combination. It is shaded one. I have shown this type of sari on Tasar, but this one is silk. This one is silk. This is the pallu part. I will show you the body also. The price for this sari is 11,250. 11,250. This is the look of the sari. You will get Gujarati work throughout the sari. Entire sari with Gujarati work. Just check that. Entire sari পুরো শাড়িটাতে একভাবে কাজ গেছে। প্রাইসটা এই জন্যই বেড়ে যায়। আমি গুজরাটি ওয়ার্কের শাড়ি কম প্রাইসেও দেখাই, কিন্তু এটাতে যেহেতু প্রচুর কাজ আছে, পুরো অল ওভার শাড়িতে এরকম ভাবে কাজ গেছে, সেই জন্য প্রাইসটা বেশি। 11,250. And here is the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. Moving to the next sari. Requesting you to book the sari with the screenshot or mention the sari number. This is sari number 9, silk lambani. This one is maroon color silk lambani. This is not pure lambani work, lambani type fusion embroidery. Lambani type fusion embroidery. Just check the entire sari look. This is the pallu part. From pallu, half of the sari will be like this. This is a very bright one with a reasonable price. The price for this sari is 10,500. 10,500. Just check the work for the sari. Entire sari with lambani type fusion embroidery. Lambani type fusion embroidery. This is the look of the sari. Entire look of the sari. Entire look of the sari. You will get a blouse piece along with the sari. These all are fusion lambani work. Entire look. Here is the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. The price for this sari is 10,500. All the saris are with silk mark certification. Now I will show you sari number 10, another maroon color sari, but this is with bullion stitch. Various types of saris I am showing you so that you can have a choice. See, this is also maroon color but with bullion stitch. This sari with bullion stitch. Just check the work. All are hand embroidery. All are hand embroidery. The color for this sari is also maroon. This is upper border. Upper border is wider. And this is the lower border. This is sari number 10. Price is 11,000. Price is 11,000. পুজো পারপাসেই সমস্ত যা শাড়ি দেখাচ্ছি পুজোর জন্য, তাই একটুখানি ডিফারেন্ট টাইপ, ডিফারেন্ট লুক। রিকোয়েস্টিং অল অফ ইউ টু সাবস্ক্রাইব মাই চ্যানেল অ্যান্ড টু শেয়ার উইথ ইউর ফ্রেন্ডস, রিলেটিভস অ্যান্ড কালিগস। দ্য প্রাইস ফর দিস শাড়ি ইজ 11,000. The price for this sari is 11,000. This is the entire look of the sari. Bullion parshi, another bullion parshi, and here is the blouse piece. Price is 11,000. Now this is sari number 11 on Tasar base. Gujarati stitch, and with this is also we can call fusion, because here you will get Gujarati along as well as Kantha, but the work is less. Just check the sari. This is pallu part. Material is tasar. All the saris having a cord piping, you can see. This is the look. Usually Gujarati stitch এর সাথে বডিতেও বুটা থাকে, এটাতে একটু কাঁথার মতো করে দেওয়া আছে with Gujarati work. And the material is tasar, black color, sari number 11. Price is 7,500. 7,500. This is the entire look of the sari, and here is the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. Price is 7,500. This is sari number 12. This is on tasar Gujarati work. You will understand why the price varies. Just check the work, volume of work. This is pallu part. It will be the entire body. Just check the color combination. First you will get a light green, then cream color, then rust, then maroon, and the entire sari, puro sharitate dekhun ki volume e kaj ache. Just check in what volume the entire sari with Gujarati work. পুরোটাতে ঠাস কাজ করা আছে। আমি বিগিনিংটাও দেখিয়ে দিই, এইভাবে কাজ গেছে, and the price varies due to this reason. Definitely for the work and the quality of the tasar, and all the saris having a cord piping, and the price for this one is 12,800. Just check the entire look of the sari. This is shaded Gujarati sari. Price is 12,800 pallu, and I will show you the blouse piece, otherwise you won't understand. See, you will get this type of border for blouse piece as well as this type of work. You can make as per your choice. You can make the blouse as per your choice, and the price for this sari is 12,800. All the saris are with silk mark certification. Requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Now I will show you sari number 13. It's a really amazing sari, I must say. One katha stitch. আমাকে অনেকে রিকোয়েস্ট করছিলেন কাঁথা দেখাতে, কিন্তু আমার ঠিক পছন্দ হচ্ছিল না কাঁথাগুলো যেগুলো দেখানোর মতো। I always want to show you something different. অনেক শাড়ি দেখিয়ে দিলাম কিন্তু সবই ভীষণ কমন। I don't want that. Just check the sari look and see the work, clarity of the work. কি ভাবে কাঁথা কাজ করা হয়েছে, যারা করে তাদেরকে really hats off to them, those who does all this work. This is the pallu part. Pure Gachi, premium quality Gachi by Gachi tasar, and just check the color combination. It's not a very common one. You will get this type of border on both the side and the buta. Just check. This is the work, and the premium quality Gachi tasar. Premium quality Gachi tasar. This is the look of the sari. For booking, take a screenshot, and the entire sari. এরকম নয় কাঁথা শেষ হয়ে গেল বুটা, the entire sari with the same volume of work, the entire sari with the same volume of work. And the price for this sari I will tell you definitely. Let me show you the entire sari. See, this is the look of the sari. This is the look of the sari, and the price for this sari is 13,200. And here is the blouse piece. This portion is for the blouse piece. Price is 13,200. The material is pure Gachi by Gachi tasar. Now I will show you some Gara Parshi sari number 14. Sari number 14. These all are hand embroidery on tasar. Sari number 14. Price is 14,500. Just see the color combination and the work. মানে ওয়ার্কটা হাতে এইগুলো কিন্তু সমস্ত আমি ব্যাক পোর্শন দেখাই আগে। এই যে ব্যাক পোর্শন, পার্সি ওয়ার্ক, গারা পার্সির অনেক রকম ডিজাইন হয়। দিজ অল আর গারা পার্সি উইথ আ ডিফারেন্ট টাইপ অফ ডিজাইন, অ্যান্ড অল আর হ্যান্ড এমব্রয়ডারি। জাস্ট চেক দ্য শাড়ি লুক। পুরো শাড়িটাতে এইভাবে কাজ গেছে, and the price for this saree is 14,500. Saree number 14. This is peach color. All over the body you will get the same volume of border with butta, and the price is 14,500. 14,500. Color is peach color. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the saree number. Requesting all my viewers to subscribe my channel and to put some comments. Share with your friends, relatives and colleagues. Booking number, as you know, 933. Here is the blouse piece. Booking number is 9330866384. Just check the color combination and the entire look of the saree. This is the entire look of the saree. Saree number 14, 14,500. Saree number 14, 14,500. I will show you some this type of sarees. Now saree number 15. Saree number 15. Another color. It's a green combination. All are on tussar. See the color combination, see the work, but all are hand work, hand parshi work. Price remains same. All are of 14,500. 14,500. All are of 14,500. Just check the color combination. This will be the look. For booking, take a screenshot or mention the saree number. This will be the look of the saree. For any clarification, you can call me, you can WhatsApp me on my number 9330866384. Colors may slightly differ due to light and camera, so you can always feel free to call me or WhatsApp me. Here is the blouse piece. Requesting again all my subscribers to share with your friends, relatives and colleagues, and those who did not subscribe till now, please do subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the notification. This is Rani color, but you know in tussar it doesn't look very bright. Here is the pallu part. Here is the pallu part. This will be the look of the saree. Entire saree is like this. 14,500. Price is 14,500. All are parshi work, but you can easily understand the neatness of the work. All are with hand embroidery. This is the look of the saree. Price is 14,500. This is the look of the saree. I will show you the entire draping view of the saree. This is the look. Just check the look of the saree. Price is 14,500. Here is the blouse piece. This portion is for blouse piece. You can pay through Google Pay, Phone Pay, debit or credit card link, or through net banking, and I will send you the saree through courier. Shipping is free all over India. COD facility is also available, but during puja the time limit may increase. See, another color. This is blue, but not turquoise blue. It's very off type of blue, which you get in tussar. Look at the work. All the sarees are so pretty, so beautiful. Requesting you to book the saree with your screenshot or the number, and the price for this one is also 14,500. Booking number, as you know, 9330866384. এই কাজগুলো যারা করে না তারা অনেক দিন সময় লাগে তাদের এই হাতের কাজ শেষ হতে, মানে স্যালিউট টু দেম. আই এম জাস্ট শোয়িং देयर ওয়ার্ক. See, this is the creation for those artisans. We must salute them. These all are handwork, and this is the entire look of the saree. Price is 14,500. Booking number 9330866384. Thank you.